Hello students, I am your maths teacher Eskiran. Welcome you all back to the another session of maths online classes. Students, I expect from everyone and I hope that you all are staying home and doing well. Students, today I brought a new chapters for you all. Do you want to know which chapters today we will discuss? Today we will discuss about none other than linear equation in one variables. Linear equation in one variables. Students, I hope in previous chapters we have studied regarding the algebraic expression, and algebraic expression we came from that chapter. We came to know what is literals, what is variables, what is constant, what is expression, what is term, what is degree, what is polynomial. These all things we came to know. And these things what we have learned from the algebraic expression, that has a vital role in the linear equation also. Are you getting my points? In linear equation. Students, if I talk about linear, what is linear? I think might have you should remember from the algebraic expression where I used linear. What is linear? Do you know what is degree? If you know, it's very good. If you don't know, kindly get back and see the very first video of algebraic expression where I used to explain regarding all the terminology which came into the chapter. Okay students, it was very important to know linear, literals, variables, constant, monomial, polynomial, trinomial, degree. These all are very important. Like expression, term, these all things are very important. So once again I say, once again I advise to you, if you don't have watched, go back and watch that video. It's very important. Then after you will learn these chapters. Because friends, see, first of all we know about the linear. What is linear? Linear, it means what? That is the expression having the degree 1. In what circumstances the degree 1 is there? Degree 1, you know degree 1, the highest power of the expression, that is called degree. The highest power of the given expression, that is called degree. And degree considered linear, it means whose degree 1, the expressions the having degree 1, it means the having power 1, maximum power 1, that is called linear. Okay students, so you can say having degree 1 term is known as linear. Are you getting my point? It's clear. Now come to the second term, equation. Equation students, equation, it means equal. This words develops from equal. This words develop from equality. What is equality? Sometimes if supposed to be you are two brothers and your father brings something which is favorite of both. Are you getting my points? And your younger brother got 2 chocolates more and you got 2 chocolates less. In such circumstances, what will happen? You will start quarreling, fighting, beeping, crying, and ask your father, ask your mother, why you have did like that. That is equality. You getting my point? It means equality, it means equal, bravo. If your younger brother got 2 chocolates, then you also got 2 chocolates. If your younger brother got 10 rupees, then you have right to take 10 rupees. That is equal. That is equality. Okay students. So see the equality, it means equal. Be careful, equality it means equal. See, a statement of equality. A statement of equality having one or more literals or variables. Only one or more variables. Literals, variables, both are same. So having one or more literals or variables, but their highest power must be 1 only. Why? Because we are discussing about linear equation. We are discussing about linear equation. That's why we should not forget that whose highest power, highest exponent is 1, that is called linear. So one or more literals maybe. Okay, see x plus 4. If I talk about x plus 4, then what is x plus 4? X plus 4 is a expression. If I talk about till this term x plus 4, there are two terms, x and 4, both are term. But if I talk about x plus 4, what is this? This is expression. This is expression. So x plus 4, we can see 4 is the constant and x is the literals. Literals or variables we can say. So x is variables. Here is how many variables? Only one variables. How many variables are there? Only one variables. So already it is written one or more literals or variables. So if I talk about x, x is one variable and 4 is a constant. And if we read together, what is this? This is the expression. If I talk about x plus 4, what is x plus 4? X plus 4 is a expression. X plus 4 is an expression. Are you getting my points? But if I talk about x plus 4 is equal to 6. X plus 4 is equal to 6. Now this term, this expression becomes x plus 4 is equal to 6. It means now it has two parts. Number first, it is separated by equal to. And already we have discussed a statement of equality. Equality means barabar, equal. Having the equal rights. Having the equal rights. Having everything equal. That is equality. Doesn't matter RHS, LHS. Because what the expression, what the equation has given, that equation is separated by equal to, and that equal to called equality, and that equality called equation. That equal to called equality, equality called equation. And that equality, that equation has two parts. Number first, after equal to, that is right hand side. That is RHS. That is called RHS, right hand side. But if I talk about before equal to, x plus 4 is there, and before equal to, it comes under the left hand. You know left hand, right hand? Right hand, left hand. So it is left hand. It means the expression, the terms which comes under left hand side, that is called LHS. It means before the equal to sign, that is LHS, and after the equal to sign, that is RHS. Now both terms is equal, y is equal to sign, that is called equation. That is called equation. Okay students, I think and I expect for everyone that you have understood this terms. Okay. So see, linear equation. Now the thing is that linear is we understood, equation means we understood one variables. One variables means except numerical value. Except numerical value x, y, z, alpha, beta, gamma, this. It means whatever except numerical value. Any alphabetical value come, that is called variables. At the place of x, y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 6, infinity. And it is x, y, z, a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, anything that is called variable. It means consists only one variable. And between my friends, only one variable, that is called linear equation in one variable. So students, this term, if linear and equation will combine together, what it will form? The value of variables. The value of variables which satisfy the equation. The value of variable which satisfy the equation. It is what the equation has given. See, x plus 4 is equal to 6. It is x equation. In this equation, what is the variable? X. The value of x is equal to what? We don't know. That the place of x, what the term will come, what the exact value will come, if that value satisfy is equal to 6, then we can say that that is the linear equation. That is called linear equation. Suppose we see x plus 2 is equal to 0. If I talk about x plus 2 is equal to 0, we can see x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to, this 2 will transpose after equal to, if this 2 is in LHS in positive, then it will transpose in negative. If it will be negative, then it will transpose in positive. Are you getting my point? It means sign will replace or sign will be opposite. If plus is there, it will be negative. Negative is there, it will be positive. Multiply is there, it will be divide, and divide is there, it will be multiply. So be careful. Then x is equal to 0 minus 2. This 2 is transposed to that side in RHS, and 0 minus 2 is equal to the other. 0 x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. Not satisfied. Do you think like that? X plus 2 is equal to 0. But here x value is given minus 2. It is satisfied? No. We should bring that x is equal to 0. If at the place of x is equal to 0, answer is there, then it will be satisfied. Because this expression x plus 2 value is equal to 0. Are you getting my point? Because this equation's value given 0. So x value should be 0. When the x value should be 0, then after it will be not satisfied. Sorry, then it will be satisfied. You getting my points? So, see second example. 3x is equal to 12. Are you getting my points? See, second question is 3x is equal to 12. It is also a question. Now, what value we will put at the place of x? Then 3x is equal to 12 will satisfy. Then what we will do? We can say 3x. It means 3 into x. These variables and constants both are multiplied. And already I told, when multiplication is there, then it will be transposing in division form. LHS into RHS. What it will be done? If multiply is there, then division will be done. If division is there, then multiply will be done. Then 3 will be, what happened? 3 will be transposed to that side. It will be 12 divided by 3. What is the value of x? X is equal to 4. When we will put the value of x in 3x, what the resultant will be there? 3x is there, and 3x is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. See, if we put x, the value of x is equal to 4, then the answer will become 12. And what the equation is there? 3x is equal to 12. This means 12 is equal to 12. Then we can say that this equation is satisfied. That is called a linear equation. At the place of variables, what are the values we are putting? What are the value of we are inserting? That value should satisfy the equation. That value should satisfy the RHS is equal to LHS. What are the values? LHS and RHS both will be equal. If both are equal, then we can say that the linear equation are satisfied. Okay, students? See, forming equation. The second terminology is there. Forming equation. Students, it's very important linear equation how to form, how to make a equation. When question will be given in the language form, what you will do? In that conditions, you will have to read the questions carefully, and after that, you will have to write the equation. Without equation, linear questions is not possible to solve. So, how to form equation? See, students, whenever you will solve whenever you will do the exercise, then you will come to know how the questions is given. Sometimes question will given, find the sum of x and y is 6. Question that sum of x and y is 6. Then how it will be write in the expression or equation? That will be write x plus y is equal to 6. It is asking about sum of it means plus. Then x and y means x plus y is 6. What gives? It gives 6. It is a equation. Such types of questions may ask in your exercise. In that condition, in that circumstances, it will help you to how to form. Sometimes may be given find the difference of. It is easy because we are studying last 4 or 5 classes. Standard 4 or 5. So it is easy. Sum is also easy. But if instead of difference, it is taken away, what you will do? Just you will be confused. Sir, what said the question? What we will do? You will be suspicious. You will be doubtful. So what in such circumstances you don't have to worry. Just be careful. Difference of y and 2 is z. Difference of y and 2 is z. It means y minus 2 is equal to 8. See, y minus 2 is equal to 8. Instead of this term, if the term is given in that way, 2 is taken away from y. 2 is taken away from y. See, both are saying the same thing. but statements are changed. 2 is taken away from y. Taken away. It means ये वापस ले लिया. Taken away it means मैंने जो आपको दिया वो मैंने उससे वापस ले लिया. कुछ है हम जैसे ले रहे. That is taken away. Gives 8. It means 2 is taken. What is taken? 2 is taken. To whom? From whom? To y. So from y. Then y will return first and then after minus. Difference taken away. It means ले लिया. It means minus 2. What gives? Is equal to 8. So y minus 2 is equal to 8. So in both circumstances and both conditions, both way that questions may ask in anywhere in the linear equation. So don't worry, don't be confused how to make a equation, how to form an equation to solve the question. So see product of, now it's a time to know about the product we are also made any result of the multiplication. See product of 3 and x is 21. 3 and x, when the term 3 and x both will multiply together, then it results 21. So completely we can write 3 into x is equal to 21, 3x is equal to 21. Are you getting my point? But 6 times of y may be written, may be given in the same way the question. 6 times of y is equal to 21. 6 times of 6 is equal to 24. How will we write? Then 6 times it means 6 of whose? Y. So 6 y. Thrice of x. Twice is equal to 2. Thrice is equal to 4. Thrice is equal to 3. Quad is equal to 4. So twice 2, thrice 3, quad 4. Are you getting my point, students? So thrice of x. Whose? X. It means 3 into x is equal to 3x. Students, it is all about that the linear equation till the formula of equation, and we will discuss more about the linear equation in the second video. Till that, keep watching 2 or 3 times so that what the terminology, what the terms were used, you will come to know and update in your mind, and also updates your notes copy. Okay students, bye bye, thank you.